Craving a takeaway feast but don't want to leave the house? This video will turn you into a Deliveroo Pro in under 90 seconds. First, download the Deliveroo app from your app store. It's available on both iOS and Android. Once downloaded, tap to open it. If you're a new user, you'll need to create an account. Tap sign up and enter your email address. Create a strong password and fill in your phone number and address. If you already have an account, just log in. Now, you're on the Deliveroo home screen. You can browse restaurants by cuisine, popular dishes, or search directly for your favorite restaurant using the search bar at the top. Tapping on a restaurant opens their menu. Scroll through and add items to your basket by tapping the Add button next to each item. Once you've chosen everything, tap the View Basket button. Here you can review your order, adjust quantities, and add any special instructions for the restaurant. Ready to order. Tap Checkout. You'll need to confirm your delivery address and choose a payment method. Deliveroo accepts card payments, PayPal, and sometimes other options like Apple Pay. After confirming your payment, tap Place Order. You'll see a confirmation screen with an estimated delivery time. Now for the exciting part. You can track your order in real time on the app. You'll see your rider's location on the map and get updates on their progress. And that's it. Your food will arrive directly to your doorstep. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to rate your experience and leave a tip for your rider. Bon app a copyright hit.